How to build a search with the Search Builder. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of how to filter your lists using a few of Broadstripes' search features. We'll look at searching by name, employment, and other keywords. We'll also look at combining multiple search criteria with the Search Builder. The most simple way to search is by name. Let's say that you want to find Joan Worker. If you start typing the first few characters of her name, a drop-down appears with everyone in your project whose name matches those letters. When you click her name, you'll see Joan's records in your search results. What if you wanted to find everyone who works with Joan at Deluxe Hotel? You can do that with the Search Builder. Click the Advanced button to the right of the search box to get started. Here's where you build your search. It may look complex, but you can keep it simple by focusing on just the few features you need. You build a search by creating rules, the instructions Broadstripes needs to follow to find the right records. Broadstripes will automatically create the first rule for you. The first thing you need to do is modify this, so Broadstripes searches for people employed by Deluxe Hotel. When you open the first drop-down list, you'll see a list of keyword groups that you can expand and collapse to find your search keyword. The keyword that allows you to find people by their employer is employer. Another easy way to find a search keyword is to just start typing. You can click the keyword when you see it. You can specify that for this rule, employer should contain the words Deluxe Hotel. Finally, click search. Everyone employed by Deluxe Hotel will be listed in the search results. Now, what if you wanted to find just the leaders at Deluxe Hotel? If we define leaders as anyone with a leadership role, that would mean you have two overlapping rules. One finds people with leadership roles, and one that finds people employed by Deluxe Hotel. The intersection of those two rules is the set of people you're looking for. With the Search Builder, it's easy to combine multiple rules to refine a search. Here's how. You'll keep the rule you've already made for the Deluxe Hotel. And now, click the Add Rule button at the upper right corner of the Search Builder to add a second rule. You can start typing to find your keyword, leadership role, under the leadership keyword group. In the middle drop-down box, you'll choose Has Any Value to see anyone who has any leadership role. Finally, click Search. Everyone with a leadership role at Deluxe Hotel will appear in the search results. Now, what if you wanted to do one final search? This one's a little different. What if you wanted to see everyone who works at either the Deluxe Hotel or at another hotel you organize, Basic Hotel? No problem. You'll create two rules and combine them with an OR operator. Here's how. You can reuse your rule for the Deluxe Hotel, but you'll need to remove the leader rule. Click Remove. Click Add Rule. Choose Employer, contains the words Basic Hotel. Now, before running the search, you just need to look at the AND/OR switch. This switch tells Broadstripes whether you want to connect the rules with AND, meaning that both rules have to be true, or if you want to connect them with OR, meaning that only one of the rules must be true for a person to match the search. Since your search depends on only one of our rules being true, to find people who are employed at either Deluxe Hotel or at Basic Hotel, you'll click OR. You can tell OR is selected because it's highlighted in darker blue. Our search results display all the workers employed at either Deluxe or Basic Hotel. So far, we've done two multiple rule searches. We've searched for workers employed at either Deluxe or Basic Hotel, and we've searched for leaders just at Deluxe Hotel. Now, what if you wanted to put that all together to create a search to find leaders who work at either Deluxe Hotel or Basic Hotel? No problem. You'll just need to employ a clause with Search Builder's group function. Want to learn more? Watch our next video. Adding rule groups to your search. And remember, if you ever get stuck while building a search, you can always follow these two links for help. The Search Help link will bring you to the Broadstripes knowledge base, where you can refresh your search building skills and watch this video as many times as you'd like. The Reference link will open a PDF that explains Broadstripes search terms and lists the most common fields used in searches, along with examples of searches you're most likely to use. Thank you for watching How to Build a Search with Search Builder. Come back again to learn more about using Broadstripes.